Welcome to Aarti's Education. By this video, we are going to learn question number 2 from practice set 1. The question is, draw angles of the measures given below and draw their bisectors. We have 3 sub-questions in it. The first one is 105 degree, second one is 55 degree, and the last one is 90 degree. We have to draw these angles and also their bisectors. In last standard, we learned how to draw bisectors of angles. We are going to use same steps. The first step is, let's draw the given angle first. Then we are going to proceed our next step. So let's draw here angle. To draw an angle, we have to use a scale, protractor and pencil. Let's draw it with the help of this. First of all, leave 4 to 5 lines on upper side. Then draw one line here like this. Show arrow on one side, and here this is the origin. This one is ray. Now let's put the center point of protractor to the origin of this ray like this, and then we are going to count from the side of arrow. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Here we have to count 105 up to 105. So 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count these 5 lines after 100 and join these 2 points with the help of scale. Let's give the name to our angle. A, B, C. Write here measure of angle 105 degree. Now, put your compass metal point at the point B and draw 2 arcs to cut the rays BA and BC like this. Now here we are getting 2 points which are intersect to BC and BA, this one and this one. Let's give them name D and E. Now again taking the convenient distance into compass, we are going to place the metal point of compass on point T like this, and we are going to draw an arc inside the angle. Now take the same distance and do the activity from point E. Let's intersect this arc. Here we get one more point. We have to join this point to the B. The intersection point of arcs and B joining together, we get an angle bisector. of ABC. Now let's draw for second question 55 degree. Let's take here a scale. Leave 4 to 5 lines on upper side. Draw here the base of an angle. Decide origin. This is our origin. Now we have to place the center point of compass to the origin. Let's place it like this. Now let's count from the arrow 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I have to draw an angle with a measure 55 degree. So here we have to count 5 lines after 50 and place here mark. Join these 2 points with the help of scale. Mark here arrow. Now give name to our angle PQR. You can give your own choice. Now put the metal point of compass on Q and take convenient distance. Draw an arc to cut rays QP and QR like this. Here we are getting 2 points. Give them name C and D. Now what we have to do? Again we have to take the convenient distance in our compass like this, and now place your compass metal point on point C and draw an arc inside the angle like this. Now by taking the same distance, we are going to place it on D, and again we have to draw another arc which is intersecting previous arc. Here we get 1 point. We can call it intersecting point. Let's join it with Q. Like this. This is an angle bisector of given angle. Now let's draw for third question. Here we have to draw an angle of 90 degree. We also called it right angle. We are going to use same steps. First of all, let's leave 4 to 5 lines on upper side, so it is convenient to us to draw an angle or doing an activity. Let's draw here base. Take protractor, place center point of protractor, and count up to 90. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Mark here a point. Join these 2 points with the help of scale. Mark here arrow. Now take a compass and put a middle point of compass. STK, give it a name STK, and put a middle point of compass on T. Taking a convenient distance, we are going to draw an arc which are intersecting. Write TS and TK like this. Then give name point of intersection A and B. Now again take a convenient distance in your compass and place middle point on A and draw an arc inside an angle, and from B draw another arc which intersecting to previous arc. Now here we get intersection point. Join this point to T. Like this. This is the angle bisector of our angle of 90 degree. So this is the solution of question number 2 in practice set 1. Hope you understand how to draw angle bisectors. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and let's see you in next video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.